Now with Bitcoin, Ethereum, and Luna, guys, this is crazy. I want to, and I will speak also about the Wyckoff pattern, guys. Let us. I will speak also about my Bitcoin Luna trade yesterday. I jumped with $200,000 into a Bitcoin trade. So let Luna trade. Let us quickly watch what is happening here with Bitcoin. So Bitcoin reached again our price target of 30,000. We go even below 39,800. Congratulations to everyone who took here the trade, guys. And I saw yesterday you took huge trades. This was crazy, man. So let us watch what could happen next, guys. First of all, let us zoom out. Let us quickly watch the macro perspective. On the macro perspective, we see here right now Luna, Ethereum, two bloods, yeah, man, Bitcoin. We see here a huge bullish divergence. You see the RSI is going up while the price is going down. So this is a bullish divergence. It means that we will see in the next days or weeks we could see a huge pump. It's not a guarantee, guys, but we could see. So we saw yesterday this huge dump because also of the S&P 500, and then we saw this dump in the night. What will happen next, guys? If we are watching right now on the 1 hourly, we are forming something like I mean, we are heavily oversold, man. We are still heavily oversold, but we are starting to forming a potential bearish divergence in the immediate short term. So you see here the RSI starting to go up, while the price is obviously going down. So watch out for this. It not necessarily mean that we will see another dump, but it could mean that we will see some consolidation or maybe a dump. So if we are watching also on the 1 hourly right now, we are trying, let me wait a minute, it's loading up. So if we are watching on the 1 hourly and open the EMA ribbon, we are trying to fight above the EMA ribbon. So in my opinion, where is the next short opportunity or long opportunity? In my opinion, it's right now very dangerous, but at the same time, if it's very risky, there's a huge potential to make some gains, right? So in my opinion, if we break 30,000 with the 4 hourly candle, we can short Bitcoin to, let me quickly show you. I have to zoom out here a little bit. Wait a minute, where's the, let me watch on this maybe. Why is the internet so bad, man? Blood. What's that? Wait a minute, guys. Oh, suka. So yes, now it's not keep loading, blood. It's now okay. So my next price tag would be around. Wait a minute, I turn off. My next price tag would round. So the second price tag would be 28,000, but the first price tag would be around. No, it was not. It was here around 28,700. 28,700 would be my first price tag. So 28,700. This could be a trade of approximately 28,700, approximately of 4.6%. 10x 46%. The second price tag will be 28,000. It's 7%. 10x 70%, right? So when we can a long bit, and then we can obviously short Luna, Ethereum, all the other altcoins. Luna position I show you in a minute, guys. And obviously, longing, I would only, if we break above 4 hourly EMA ribbon, above 36,000, then we can long to, I would say, the first price target would be 37,600, 5.2%, 10x 52%, and then next 39,000 is 11%, 10x 110%, right? So this is my short and long opportunity. If we break above, we can also long Ethereum and all the other altcoins. Luna, I would be very careful, guys. So let me quickly show you Luna. Luna is dumping like crazy, man. Look at this. I told you yesterday that there is a short opportunity. Congratulations to everyone who took here this trade. This was crazy yesterday, man. I even didn't sleep the whole night. So we dropped over 56%. This was crazy, man. So whoever took here the trade, congratulations, guys. My next price target, if we break down $39, my next price target would be around $31, 31.5. So this would be another short opportunity of approximately 27%, 10x 270%, but be very, very careful. Right now it's very, very tough and very extreme, because there's something brewing in Luna. So be very careful. If I watch here 1 hourly, this it's highly volatile. Please do your own research what happened. I can only say you the stable coin get fucked, man, yesterday. I mean, also in the last days, but yesterday, I mean, it's a stable coin, but it looks not like a stable coin. It was down for over 40% at $60 a stable coin. So people cashed out and sold all the altcoins. So if you lose money, so be sure there are people who lost even more money, right? So this is for Luna, a short opportunity, but very careful, guys. Luna shorting. Wait a minute. I show you also my positions yesterday, because I posted everything in the group yesterday, guys. So this was my last screenshot, which I post also in our Telegram group. I was $200,000 in contract size with it was only 4x leverage, because it's very dangerous, this altcoins, and it was 25,000, 51%. It was within a minute I made 50,000. I jumped out at $28 something like that. I don't remember, but it was around $50,000 or $40,000 in profit, which I took. I set the limit order. So congratulations to everyone who took here the trade, guys, and whoever is new to our community, guys, watch out here for our bonus on Bybit, 4,620 you get for free after a certain amount of initial deposit. Very important. And 30 days zero maker fee on Bybit. Link is down below. Make a registration right now and get the bonus. And right now, guys, please be very, very careful. This is crazy. The whole market is crazy. Luna can go easily to 21 or to $15 even, because of this shit with their stable coin. Please make your own research what happened there. I read, but this is not, I read yesterday and could tell you, but this is too much for this video right now. Please make your research of that, because this is crazy, man, what happened. And be very careful right now with trading, guys. If you're not super professional, just stand on the sidelines, because you can make huge amount of money right now, but you can everything lose. Be very careful. But again, never ever trade with more than 1% of your whole portfolio. Yesterday, people lost all their savings, man. But they stupid. Why you going in with all your money in trading? I don't understand. People wrote in Luna. I watched Twitter Luna. People wrote, I lost everything, and blamed Luna for it. But man, yes, obviously they shitted and they shitted on some people. But man, it's I say it's your responsibility, your money, and yes. So please also here do your own research. It's your money, your responsibility, guys. Let me quickly watch you again. Bitcoin, I want very quickly show you something, because if we are watching here on the daily, wait a minute, if we are watching on the daily, we spoke already about the Wyckoff pattern, right? I just want to remind you this, and this is what I'm right now watching it. We already spoke about it. It looks like it looks not like this. This is not the accumulation pattern. This one, you see, there is we see no. Wait a minute. No, this is this is the zoom in. This is the bigger one. So we see here phase one, consolidation, pump, consolidation, pump, consolidation. This is the top. Then we break down, consolidation, break down, and then it starts again with the consolidation. We go again. This is called a Wyckoff pattern, right? And you see here's the same. We see consolidation, pump, consolidation, pump, consolidation. This was the top when we reach around 70,000. Then dump, consolidation, dump, and right now consolidation, dump. And right now it could be that this phase. So we had 1, 2, 3, 1. Wait a minute, Blatt. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. Yes, and this this 4, and then we're dumping, and then the next happen. Wait a minute. We have 1, 2, 3, 4. and then we dumping again. We see again, this could be, guys, this could be, I tell you only what I'm watching for. This one could be a Wyckoff accumulation. It could be, guys. We already, you see here, we already checked it some months ago, but let have an eye on it. It's just what I have an eye on it, because accumulation, so this phase looks like this. So we dumping. Oh, jopt my mate. Where is it? Here, oh, we see this huge dump, so a C point, then we see a pump, and then we see a new lower low, right? And right now, it's very interesting for me. Is this the new lower low, or are we right now also already here in phase C? Because I guess we are in phase B. We could see here some pump. We don't reach the previous top, but see some pump, and then we see even further dumping. This is what I could imagine. And look, we saw here perfectly also, we saw here this dump, right? You see here this dump. So this one could be the SC point. And then we saw some pump, right? So we saw here some pump. Yes, we see here some pump. And after it, we create a new lower low, the ST point. And this one could be the ST point. I mean, it could be similar like here. You see, we saw pump, dump. Then we saw here pump. And then we saw here again a new lower low as ST point, right? And after this ST point, no, I'm wrong. Yes, no, I'm right. ST point, yeah, we don't create like a new lower low. Yeah, here was a new lower low, right? But yeah, it's not exactly like this new lower low, but you understand what I mean, right? I mean, it's not 100% one-to-one, but yeah, it could be, guys. This is what I'm watching for. I just want to show you. Please make your own research, make your own opinion. But we could be in in an accumulation zone right now, where we could see maybe here again in a bigger perspective a small pump, and then we create a new lower low before we see a huge pump, and we are going again into the reaccumulation. So after this accumulation, we go see pump, and then it's starting again. You know, this is what we see usually the whole market. We see accumulation, then reaccumulation, then we see this huge pump, and then we see this distribution, and then it starts again. And right now, I guessing, or what I'm watching, we are here in this accumulation zone, like what we saw here. Maybe we don't see new lower low after here, because usually we should see new lower low because this is the index, Bitcoin index chart. Maybe this was even a small lower low. But anyways, guys, this is what I want to show you. Let us quickly do your own research, please. I just want to update you about it. Let us quickly again watch on Bitcoin. So if we break 30,000, in my opinion, we can short to 28,700. If we break above 4-hourly EMA ribbon, and if we break 30,000, we can short also Luna, Ethereum, and all the other altcoins. If we break above 4-hourly EMA ribbon, we can long to 37,500, and we can also long Ethereum. So watch out for this, but I would not recommend to long Luna, in my opinion, guys. Please do your own research, because what I'm watching here right now, how they manage this USDT, for example, because they should 101, but it's right now stablecoin at 90 cents. This is horrible, man. And if what I'm watching here, if this USDT is going further down, right, further dumping, then I would starting to short again Luna, because Luna would obviously then further go down, right? So this is what I'm watching. Don't forget, you can use this link down below on Bybit, 4,620 for free after initial deposit. Link is down below. It costs you 1 minute, guys, and you get 30 days zero maker fee. Guys, link down below. I kiss you. Tell me what you did. Did you manage to short? I saw some of you short, but tell me how much, which percentage you did, or you're right now in a long. Take profits right now, guys. Anyways, and if you have any questions, write down below. I kiss you and see you later. Mwah.